10th Algebra, Chapter 1, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Practice Set 1.3, question number 3 from 1 to 6 question. Now in this video, we'll be checking out question number 4, that is 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. So here the question is already in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So solution. So first of all, we'll assign it. So this is a1, b1, this is c1. So here a2 is 8, b2 it is minus 3 and c2 it is minus 2. So first we need to find determinant for d, right? In d we need to write a and b. So from first equation we get 6 minus 4 and from second equation we will get 8 and minus 3. Now we'll solve this. So 6 into minus 3 minus of minus 4 into 8. So 6 into minus 3 it is minus 18, minus minus plus 4 8s it is 32. So now 32 minus 18 we'll just check it out. So 32 minus 18, that is 2, 12. 12 minus 8, 4, 1. It is how much? 14, right? So we'll just rub it out. So answer is 14. Next is dx will be finding. For dx we need to write value of c and b. So first c value will be taking, that is minus 12, and then b it is minus 4. From the second equation it is minus 2 and minus 3. So we'll just solve it. So it is minus 12 into minus 3 minus minus 4 into minus 2. So minus 12 into minus 3, that means negative into negative it is positive. 12 3s are, it is 36. So here negative negative positive, positive negative it is negative. So that means 4 2s are, it is how much? 8. Now what is 36 minus 8? It is 28. Now next is we'll find value of dy. So for dy we need to write value of a and c. So from first equation ac it is 6 and minus 12, and next for second equation it is 8 and minus 2. So this is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus minus 12 into 8. So this is equal to 6 into minus 2. It is how much? Minus 2. 12, right? So minus minus plus. It is 12 8s are. What is 12 8s are? We'll just multiply. 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. 9. So what is 12 8s are? It is 96. So we can write here as 96. Now we need to subtract also. So 96 minus 12, it is how much? 84. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, we write the formula. It is x is equal to dx upon d. So the value for dx, it is how much? 28 upon d, it is 14. So 14 2s are, it is 28. Next is y. For y, dy is upon d. So the value for dy, it is how much? 84, and the value of d, it is how much? 14. Now 84 and 14 we need to cancel it out. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 7, 6 are. That means 14 into 6 directly if we multiply, we are getting as 84, right? So after cancellation, what we will get? Here is 14, 6 I, it is how much? 84. So final answer solution we can write as 2, 6.